So this is pound yen analysis for Tuesday the 17th of July. Now let's just have a look at them prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we've had price come up towards this 49.10, an area identified as an area of potential resistance from which we have seen the sell side momentum return to the market from that 49.10, bring us all the way down towards this 48.61. In around 48.61 we did hold support for a brief move back up for another test of 49.10, which again held as resistance, had a move back down towards this 48.61, retested, failed, and now we've seen an acceleration in momentum to the downside here from this, away from this 49.10. What we have seen is a move breaking below the 48.61 and currently the 48.46. We've seen very strong price progression based on how these candles have developed over the past 2 hours or so. So if we do see this follow through to the downside, we're looking to see our price direct towards this 200 period moving average, which could act as a dynamic level of support. But the very next horizontal level of note is of course the 147.35, successful break from which we're then looking for price head down towards this 146.38, where we do have the added confluence of a 400 period moving average, thus increasing likelihood of seeing a bullish bounce from that level. Failure to hold the 46.38 and of course the 146 could potentially come into focus, but would require quite a bit of volatility to get down there today on July the 17th. So possibly that 146.38 being the far end of the range here to the downside. Now, if we were to turn around from where we are at present and we were to see a break back above the 48.46, again we'll be looking to target possibly that 49.10 to see if it does hold as resistance again. But if we were to see a break beyond the 49.10, I'd expect the far end of the range to the upside to be in around that 49.78 here on the pound against the yen. What we'll do now is have a brief look here at daily charts, see how prices are developing. So we have a look here at the daily charts on the pound yen, and we get scaling correct. And as we can see, we've had a very strong price progression after having a bit of a flag. We've had a break, strong move to the upside, breaking above that 148. We've come in towards that 149.10. Tested that 149.10 on a couple of occasions, straight above it on the first attempt, retested that 49.10, and we are seeing that price progression to the downside here. So we'll see whether we do form another flag and have continuation, or whether we'll see a deeper retracement, possibly down towards that 146 before finding support again here on the pound against the yen. But for now, it does appear that there has been a somewhat shifting momentum. Whether it's temporary or not, we'll have to wait to see whether we will form a flag or not. But for the moment, we do seem poised over the short term for a bit more, a greater degree of bearishness, which isn't too surprising after seeing such a very strong move to the upside, a very strong, consistent move over the past couple of days/weeks on the pound yen. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the pound yen analysis. Thanks for watching.